Hello student. So in previous video we have saw about state of equation and then some basic which are related to behavior of ideal gases. So in this session we are going to see in more detail about behavior of ideal gas and how real gases differ from ideal gas. So firstly we know that ideal gas obeys ideal gas equation so perfectly. That equation is PV is equal to nRT. So in this can you see this diagram? So there are some changes in these diagrams. Yes, you can see some changes here. So in this diagram these black color balls are actually showing some molecules of gas, and you can consider this as a container of that particular gas. So these conditions are not that much matter to us, only focus on this container and molecules of that containers. So these molecules are actually not attracted to each other, they are not colliding with each other, and they are not transferring their energies to each other. So all these things are happening in ideal gas molecules, and that's why I put this diagram in here. You can see here that these molecules are actually not attracted to each other, they are just moving from one place to another, and they are not transferring their energies. So ideal gas is actually based on ideal gas equation, and secondly it is based on postulates which are coming under kinetic molecular theory of gases, and this chapter we have studied in 11th standard also. So what is there in postulates of kinetic theory of gases? So first postulate is that there is a elastic collision between two molecules of ideal gases. So collision, yes, we are known to what is collision and what is elastic collision. Second one is there is no intermolecular attraction between these molecules, so there is no attractive or repulsive force between molecules of ideal gases. Third one is that the volume of gas molecule is actually ignored as compared to total volume of container of the gas. So we are going to see about this in detail as our video moves further. So here how ideal gas behaves and how real gas behaves. So here ideal gas, which obeys all the basic laws like Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac law, all the laws which obeys by gases, that gases are known as ideal gases. Second one, they are having their velocities and masses. Then third one is that the ideal gas molecules do not have any volume, as we saw that there is a postulates, and on that postulate we are saying this, that ideal gas molecules, they do not possess any volume. And second one, the volume of that molecules is very negligible as compared to the volume of that particular container. And what is the difference between real gas? So firstly, real gas is actually not obeying any laws of ideal gas. The second one is that there is a massive difference between ideal and real gas. So third one is that the volume and the mass volume, mass, and velocity is actually very different as compared to velocity, mass, and volume of ideal gas molecule. So here the real gas will liquefy at some point, real gas will they will have some boiling point, and as compared to one of the postulate that volume is negligible for molecules, in real gas there will be some volume to particular molecules. So this is a slight idea about how your ideal gas molecules are and how real gas molecules are. So here we are discussing, let us discuss a little bit detail about the ideal gases and real gases. So you can see in this diagram, so this diagram is actually showing about ideal gas behavior, and this one is showing about real gas behavior. So see here, whatever ideal gas obeys the postulate of kinetic theory of molecular theory of gases, which is obeyed by gases at all temperature and all the pressure. So here such kind of gas or ideal gas, this kind of concept is actually not exist in the nature. If we want to make gas molecules to behave ideally, there is some condition. So that condition is we have to make temperature high and we have to make pressure low. So in this condition we are able to maintain ideal condition of that gases or of that molecules of that particular gases. So what will happen when we will have high temperature and low pressure? The molecules will move as same as your ideal gas molecule. So how? Let us see. Now concentrate here. If there are so many molecules here, and as we know that ideal gas is actually based on PV is equal to nRT, this equation, and no interaction force between them, and last one is there is no volume of molecule. So why these things are going on? So first thing is that if we want to obey gas in an ideal gas equation, we have to make containers temperature high and the pressure at a low point. So gas behaves ideally at only high temperature and the low pressure. Why so? Because in this condition average kinetic energy of the gas molecule increases. So as we know that kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. So as temperature increases, the kinetic energy also increases. So gas molecule move faster and they move apart from each other and create space between them. So I have added firstly here diagram, you can see here, and now you are clear about it. So whenever the temperature is high, now you can consider here, you can consider here temperature. Now whenever the temperature is high, what is happening there? So whenever is the temperature is high, the kinetic energy between these molecules is high, because there is one law which says that as your temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases, and if kinetic energy is increasing, molecules are going apart or they are moving apart from each other, which is creating space between them. So you can see here they are creating space between them because kinetic energy is there, and since your kinetic energy temperature is high, kinetic energy is also high, and space between them is due to this particular thing only. So now let us talk about the volume of a gas molecule according to kinetic theory of gases. So we know that, you can see here also. So this is your container and this is those are molecules. Black color balls are actually representing molecules. So we know that size of gas molecule is very small and container is very big as compared to this gas molecules. Yes or no? Yes. So the size of container is very big as compared to the size of that molecules. So consider here just like a particle of a sand in front of a huge mountain. Therefore we neglect the volume of gas at a high temperature and the low pressure. I hope so you understood up to here very well.